What you're going to do is create formulas where you create posts from many sources that do many different things to pull in content and then apply your enhancements to them and schedule them for publishing. Let's start with why. You import posts like this, just as you would with Buffer. And then post title, URL, the URL shortening you choose, which can include Writely for your choice of CTAs. And this is where you get to promote your brand, bring people back to you when they click on your links, as well as options for auto hashtagging, auto emojify, append, and replace. So if you're just starting, we suggest going through the tutorial that explains the concept as well as the individual improvements that Enhance can do, and of course the CTA. So to see the results, plain posts like these come out like this. Hashtagging, emojis, image extraction, and then when someone clicks on our links, they get our CTAs. And this could be video, as you see here. It could be text or image. Here we will do Feedly. I select feeds and my content to share and load from Feedly. I have this semi-automatic off formula ready to take my auto emojify, and I still need to decide which queues I'm going to send this to, so I do that here. Just select a couple, enhance. So I click in this one post that didn't provide an image, click on remarketing, images, and say I like this one. I'll add that and save, and when I'm pleased with everything, then I will add to all these queues with add to queue. So that's a Feedly formula, and I could even change the title. I do want my auto emojify, so I select that and save. When you like what you're getting, and you can always rely on Enhance, and you can also rely on the content you're importing, then you want to switch to On and save. And then everything new coming from a source checked hourly is going to have your Enhance rules applied and then sent immediately to the queues you have designated, one or more queues. If you're using RiteForge for scheduling, be sure to look in RiteKit, your social profiles, add any that you need, click on the calendar to add times. You can even learn from your existing posting patterns. Also, you'll want to check and modify your default Enhance. Take a look at quote images, which you may use on some formulas, and also take a look at integrations. Finally, do take a look at Writely by clicking on CTAs at the top. With Add New CTA, you can quickly create CTAs such as this. This is an image CTA. You decide where you place it on a page, or video or text CTA. And you have a lot of design options as well as industry-leading tracking options. Just to give you an idea of what I'm getting from Writely, remember when people click on a link in a social post, generally the sharer is out of the loop. Someone's reading that article and the sharer's forgotten. When you're sharing with Writely, then you may have a very small text CTA just to keep yourself in the loop with people, or you may be more aggressive, as you can see I am here. And in my case, This is 370,000 times that we remained in the loop because we're sharing Writely links. We hope you enjoy RitePush. The tutorial is right here. You can also pull down from your avatar to help for our searchable directory of tutorials. You'll be seeing lots more to come. Enjoy RitePush.